Oh, great start. Apple? Yes. Condition, not great, but are the posters in there?
Alright, we are just got to another stay for a locker.
We just crossed Pennsylvania border. We're not too far, what, 30 miles, 36 miles away. Paid $1,600 and change for this locker. Thank goodness it did not go over 2,000. Records. Buying records.
Of course, it's records again.
One of the boxes says jewelry, which I'm pleasantly surprised by it, but we'll see. We'll see what's inside. 5x5. Not the craziest thing we've done.
Let's go and see what we're gonna find in this locker in another stay.
It's a
beautiful weather,
hot
but it's
day.
very hot. We'll see. Alright, new unit. Let's pick this up. All records. And look at this box. Records, jewelry, and books.
Let's get it. Alright, we are on a time crunch. Go figure. When are we not
1
on a time
hour
crunch?
needs to clean this up, so
We got shoes, guys.
try our best.
There look like some costumes in here. We're mainly just gonna look at these, and then these couple boxes that are labeled, and then we're just gonna load up mainly. Oh, it was a Pikachu hat. I thought it was a costume. The Godiva box has old pictures.
The leather jacket looks cool.
Yeah, let's check the brand. $5 at a thrift store. Fun suits. A lot of suit jackets. More suits. IKEA bag. Can always use more IKEA bags. Is that suited? Yeah, peacoat. Alright, we're in. Books. The question also is, will this fit in the truck? Not only can we get it done in an hour. Cassettes and CDs. You see it?
Oh.
Oh, sorry. Photo album? No, scrapbook. Okay. This, that's pretty. Smoking stuff? No.
Karaoke.
Cable.
Microphone.
Alright.
The Beatles.
That's a good start. Apple? Yes. Condition, not great, but are the posters in there? I don't. Oh, Let It Be doesn't have posters. Honestly,
It's the white album.
that Let It Be last time we had a bunch of heads. Oklahoma signed, or is that the cover? No, that's the cover. Don't get too excited. They're somewhat organized. Oh, cool. John Gibson. All right. Here I am, disorganizing them. Emmett Rhodes. I don't think I'm gonna be finding any reggae in this collection. This will be pretty good. Johnny Cash, Folsom Prison, Johnny Cash, San Quentin. Vincent Straub's. John Sebastian, Van Morrison. I like this. Dan Fogelberg, Bob Dylan. Alright. If this is all of the records, then we might have a break even. But we know it's not going to be all of the records. Rita, this is the one I saw half the photo, but I couldn't place the cover. This was the only one we could see. Jesse Winchester. Linda Ronstadt. Superwoman. Got more there.
taking this out. Look at these boxes all over here.
It's gonna fit, right?
Hope so.
Speakers.
Oh, wow.
Phone system. Oh no, speakers. Cool. Alright, let's check. We'll do more unboxing. Save 1 second. Cassettes. We'll do more unboxing when we get to the unit back home. We'll just check these ones. Alright, this one says records, books. I'm gonna go near you.
Heavy. Books, maybe.
Negative on the records. Next one. Artwork, books, ties. That's a lot of ties. All right, this one is curious. It says, this is what we could see. Records, art, lyrics. Records. Phone box.
Country music, America. Oh, wow.
Put it on the corner. Okay. Right here.
Oh, it's not locked.
Right, cooler.
Jewelry box.
That's it. It's cool though.
What about the records?
Crystal Gale, she does good. They're backwards, you might want to look this way. Only left over. Hillerton. Laura Nairo. Those look more modern. 90 there? 77 still. Wow, that's great shape. Got every Laura Nairo album. A good number are sleeved. Only thing we're missing so far is jazz, but I don't. Alright, next one is the jewelry box.
Looks heavy. Wow.
No jewelry, but it's got records.
All records.
Alright, just getting a preview here. Cat Stevens, Edgar Winter, we've had that a few times. Traffic. Condition is phenomenal on the covers at least. We'll have to get into it. That's Domino. Carl Smith, Emerson Lake Palmer. Jethro Tull. We've had that one several times. That's such a wild cover. Boz Skaggs. More Boz.
Boz.
Jackson Jump and Jive.
Wow.
King of America. 1986. Okay. McLaughlin. This is a collection. Okay. Next. Those should all be records on that far side there. Not records. So we're moving on. Books. Books and music, 8-track. Books, art, miscellaneous. Cash box.
Oh.
That's cool.
Smells old.
Wow.
Whoa, whoa. What's in that box? The red one. What the heck? Oh,
Very
wait,
cool.
that's Chinese. Hold on, let me see. Ning. Yeah, like quiet or peaceful.
This is actually really nice. Yeah.
Like the one we found.
Yeah, very similar.
The box is the same.
Books and paperwork. Just what we wanted. Getting a little older. Geometry. There we go. Coming back. Greeky sketch. Bread. Oh yeah. Just our toe again. Buzz sweat. Phenomenal so far.
Records.
Jersey records.
It all comes back.
Janice Ian, John Baez, Anderson, Nerds. Comic Creation, Jefferson Airplane. Somebody was asking for that one the other night. Okay. T-shirts. Paperwork. I think this will fit. So I think the plan, I'll lift these into the truck and then you organize them, if that works for you. I think you probably have more records back here. CDs, rock, large books. Alright guys, we are gonna call it here unless we find something really cool, load it in the car, and then unbox from our space where we've got time.
Alright, let's do it. Like, what the hell? It's in the back.
Oh Lord.
This is how organized Carl it is. Let's go take a look what's in the back. Holy moly. It's all full, but this is very sketchy. Then
we might readjust the straps. So I'm missing one. The big ones don't reach. Do we have the other two of these in the car? If we do, we might actually strap a few more on. The middle box.
If any of them, it should be in that bag.
Well, we're gonna sort this when we get home. It should be an entertaining bit of stuff.
Yep.
Here, you want a serious one?
You don't really need that. Alright, we're gonna do a live unboxing when we go home and see how many records we found. So far it's been really promising with the numbers, but we'll see what's in there.
What's your guess? I'm gonna say 1,000 records.
1,000 is reasonable.
Reasonable?
Yeah. I would say 1,200. Oh, nice. I was looking for this. I didn't find it.
You showed me where it was. That's the only reason I know where it is. Alright, we are back at the unit. That is a good amount of weight we got in there. Gonna unload and try to record most of it while we're getting through it, get it unloaded. The goal will be to get all the records back to the house and all of the rest sorted from sellable versus hopefully no personal versus trash. Keep that in the unit. Let's get it. Alright, straps are off. It is free. Got to open up the locker and we will get into it. I think we already looked at a few of these. It's a nice painting. I'll try to summarize all the records at the end. I'm just going to set them aside. This one's just got me curious here. Leonard Cohen. We may have seen this one. But in case you didn't realize, we are suckers for records, hence why we bought this locker. The Only Ones. Baby's Got a Gun. The Cure. Nice. Leonard Cohen. Sweet. Alright. We got a lot of boxes. Let's get it.
Later.
Mosquitoes are rough today, so we're gonna open the first one. I don't have my mount, like my chest harness, so this is gonna be a tough one-handed setup we got going here. This one was labeled t-shirts. Don't have much history on this other than the facility saying the usual. They don't have any connection with contact with the owners at all, so very likely passed. We'll see as we get going. All t-shirts. Let's get that going down here. Here's 3 more I just took off. Haven't picked through. Mostly paperwork. We have a lot of these that are labeled. Yeah, here we go. Original cardboard sketches, photos. A lot of them labeled artwork. So somebody liked to sketch. This is all original art. Looks interesting. We'll have to see if the person had any success with their art. Oftentimes it's simply just a hobby. We'll see about the art books. Oh, we saw that one in the locker. That's why it's open. Here we go. Old homemade painting there. Boy with Balloon 2. Okay. Oh, that's Boy with Balloon. Interesting. And more paperwork. What we'll do since I don't have the chest harness, as we open these, just get a preview, and then as we dig through them later, which will probably not be tonight, just kind of show the highlights, or come back with the harness to show the highlights. We'll see. Alright, first notable box. I just picked through this bag on top, and we've got a slot car. Whatever this is. I thought it was a knife, but I don't think so anymore. This is a cool knife. Some wolves on it. Watch feels cheap. Narmi or something. Some more Zippos. This one's a lighter. This is another knife. It's a little tough. Pitch pipe. Another pitch pipe. And then this caught my eye before we go any deeper. You might have some good pens or pencils. I don't know pens, I just know to look out for this brand. So, oh, did it flip around? Ball pen refills. So we got cross refills, so we might have cross pens then. Coasters on an Atari box. That's a good sign. I like where this is going. Guitar picks. Let me get this stuff out of the way. Sorry guys. Yeah, maybe this will hold the... There we go. Oh, is that smoking? I don't know. It's broken. Either smoking or instrument. Old linen. Cigars. No, guitars. Come on. Learn to read. Little bank. Ooh. That's cool. Brushes. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's down here? Candle. Little baggies. Holy moly. Guitar picks that are disintegrating. What the heck? I didn't even know that was possible. Melting? That's a shame. A&S. Wow, here we go. Cross. Here's the cross pens. 4 of them. And a... I don't know, that's cool. hell is going on here? Cologne. Flute. Recorder maybe. Some art. We got another box. Claricon. Made in Japan. Music related, I think. Pens, more cross boxes. The center. Another cross. We don't know our pens, but we know people who do know their pens. Keys? Nope. Change pouch. Halston Cologne. 112. Those are old crayons. Alright, I don't know how we're going to approach this. Get this stuff back in and then search the other side. One-handed is not the way to do this. Stapler. Key. I'll try to remember that's in here. Pouch. Incense box. Pastels. Are they in there? Ooh, they're in there. It looks breakable. Chapstick holders or incense holders. Can you see? Sorry. Taboo cologne. This might be the end of this one. Findings. Jewelry. A little bit of silver probably. Maybe not. Could be stainless. Alright. We're gonna put this back together and then this will make the highlight reel for sure. We'll show what else is in here. Alright. Truck is empty. I'm running because we got dinner ready. We're gonna live or unbox this on camera for the most part. A lot of it's really just books, records, art or clothes are our categories. We'll open that one later. These three are records here. These are going home. This is the jewelry we had pulled out earlier, and then some trinket stuff. We'll do that at home. Those three plus these two are records, and then the back seat's filled with records. I still got all the clothes in the back seat, so I'm gonna get all these put away, head home, and then maybe we're back here tomorrow, if not tonight. Peace. Alright, we got the records home, took them out of the back seat as well. Here is the finished bit. Ballparked it. Our new way of estimating is through measurement versus counting this high. New guess is closer to 700, so we missed it by a bit. Ballparked it in the locker, we thought it was closer to 1,000. But not too shabby, pretty darn good. So we're in for just over $2 a record, not counting anything else in the locker. 50-50 on good names. A couple Beatle ones you guys already saw. Van Morrison, a good amount of Bob Dylan. Most of the names are together, all kind of like if there's any Bob Dylan, you'll see them all together. I say that, and then there's a Bob Dylan by itself. Yes Album, Beatles, Let It Be. Those are some of the ones you saw before. Van Morrison. A lot of Procol Harum. More Bob Dylan, more Bob Dylan, more Bob Dylan. Not too bad. Awesome collection. We'll see how it goes. If you guys aren't already, follow us on Whatnot. You get like $10 or $15 free credit to buy on there, no matter who you're buying from. If you don't have an account yet, we run all of these at $1 starts, whether it's a $1 record or a $500 record. So come check it out. It's a lot of fun. Good evening jam session. So we'll see you guys there. See what kind of bangers we pull out of here. Bye.